Hi everyone. So this video is if you just received a temporary notice of compensation payable. We call these TNCPs. It also might say notice of temporary compensation payable on the top, but we call them TNCPs in the trade. What is a TNCP? It is a temporary state of acceptance of your claim. There's a few different things here. By temporary, we mean that the insurance carrier has 90 days, so 3 months essentially, to decide if they are going to, I don't want to say permanently accept your case, but if they're going to deny the case or let the temporary notice convert. If they decide to deny it in the first 90 days, they can pull that temporary acceptance and just issue a denial. They don't have to take you to court. They don't have to really provide any notice. They can just stop it and deny your case. If that happens, you will need to call an attorney and to file a claim to get your injury now recognized because it's in a denied state. However, let's say you're at the end of the 90 days and that 91st day hits and they have not pulled your acceptance. That temporary notice then converts. Once it converts, if the insurance carrier wants to stop your benefits, they do have to take you to court. They do have to provide notice. You still want an attorney, obviously. But at that point in time, after that 90-day mark hits and it converts, it is much more difficult for the insurance carrier to change or end your benefits. It's still possible for them to do it. That's why I don't really like to use the term permanent, but it's much harder for them to do it. They try to issue a denial within the first 90 days. Now, what can be accepted on a temporary notice? Wages and or medical benefits. So you can have a complete one, which is you're getting paid your wage loss benefits and your medical benefits, or you can have a medical only, where they only pay your medical benefits and they're not paying your wage loss benefits. So in the first 90 days, it's very tricky to figure out what's actually accepted and if it's going to continue to get accepted. So the first 90 days, you really want to call an attorney because you're not sure what's going on, and you want to be prepared for if you hit that 91st day and the insurance carrier pulls that acceptance and issues a denial.